Hi guys, this is Chris here. I have a drone drop box. Just got it in the mail today. It's the 21st. And so we're going to open it up and see what's inside this baby. Cut it open. So as we can see now, we have drone drop stickers, Team Black Sheep stickers, Super Tech stickers. Got a good plan for those later on down the road here. There's one set of Cyclone props, two sets, three sets, orange. I haven't got to try any Cyclones out yet. Put those up there. We have a Springs flight controller. On the back of it, takes 6S, 5 volt, 3 volt. Okay. Takes 6S, that's pretty nice. From Hilly. Spring flight controller. I think I looked these up and they're actually about 37 bucks. Pretty nice. I'll use that. Battery grip pads. Heard about these. Can't wait to try those, guys. Team Black Sheep. 2.5 millimeter Allen wrench. Team Black Sheep on it. Last month I got a Team Black Sheep 2.0, so I go pretty good with my collection. It's nice. Some Team Black Sheep solder. I was actually running low on that. It's amazing how they can figure this out. And an Ethics battery strap. Okay, what else we got in this box? Some stickers. Hilly, yep. Heck yeah, that's from the flight controller. Got a big plan for these. So this is everything we got so far. We got the solder, we got that. Got your battery packs. These seem pretty heavy. I'll give you 3 of them in there. It's pretty nice. 3M. So I'm pretty sure we could probably go buy these somewhere else. If we look this model number up right here, 9448A, 3M. I'm sure we could probably buy a nice little stack of those. Just a cheater part of it here from Sheep right by it, so you don't have to buy it from Team Black Sheep. So I'm assuming these are probably a couple bucks. We'll have to look those up. So we're going to say this is $1. That's probably $2. I think these go from $4 to $6. This is probably the best thing from this whole box. $37 to $42. I think I've seen these go for. Comes your little rubber bushings there also. So these, I know these are like $2.50 a piece. So 2, 4, 6. You got $6.50. Stickers, $1. They're $7.50. So now we're at, I'm going to say low end of that, so 37. 44, 48. I'm gonna call this $4.48. 49. $1, $2. That's probably about $2. There's 50 plus this. It's alright box, it's not bad. So far since I've been doing drone drop boxes, this is my second one. They're getting pretty good. They're things I can always use them. So for this, I was definitely running out of some of that. Makes me so I don't have to go run around the store and try to find it nowadays. These, I always kind of do this thing for the best ones I found for these wise for battery straps. Yep, that's junk. Thank you, Ethics, but you still don't beat my newbie drone battery straps. Sorry, guys. Goes up in the bin. But these are pretty cool. If you see my last video of actually some small reviews, I'm going to do a quick little review on this screwdriver because I really like these screwdrivers. Things going on here for you. These have a really good grip. They're sturdy. You can replace the shank if you have to. That's the coolest thing. Throw this in your little small toolkit. Throw some extra screws in the back of it. You got 2 or 3 of those babies. You're pretty good for screws for the most part for your quad. This, I definitely want to use it before I go try to find some online for a big pack of some of these. That'd be nice. There's up there. This, I actually just broke my flight controller on my first quad. It's not really broken, it works great, but for the camera I got to solder it on, and so my drone here, if you look very closely, where is it at? I think it's this one right here, yep. This connector is for my VTX, so I did get a new VTX to go put on it. It's broken. So I found out from taking it apart and looking at it that little connector keeps it nice and tight is broken. So this got a new VTX before I actually looked into it, thinking it might have been something on the VTX, and that was kind of broken too. Had a broken connector on it. So, but I tell you what, that drone's been one heck of a drone. I have not broke a frame on it. My other one, same one, is pretty nice, but the only thing I've done to that one, it's the same drone technically, is broke this little bottom plate. It works great. So that's that. So that's what I'm flying, guys. Sorry for taking up going a little past what the box is. So that's this month's drone drop box. Last month I was going to do a video of the quad box. I do have the quad box coming now, but they shorted me half the stuff. Well, I don't think they shorted me. I think somebody got into the box in the mail delivery somewhere, and it was open when I got it. It wasn't taped. It was just literally tape was already broken. So for the quad box, I contacted them by email, and they've, surely enough, a couple days later, here comes another package. Wasn't expecting it. The camera that I got was in there, and the stickers that was missing, and one set of props that was missing. So that was most of the box, really. But hopefully this month will be better. It won't be open, and I can do a review on it. Sorry for taking so long on this one, and hopefully you guys enjoy it. Just so you guys know, my camera is broken on my computer, so I kind of had to do this off my phone again. I don't know what it is. By the time this drone drop box comes, something happens with my other camera, so sorry for the semi-bad footage this time. It's a lot better because it's not moving. So thank you guys for looking it up. Go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to me, and I'll see you next time. Thanks, guys.